Lori, find a random person. Richie McRich a lot in the land of Richie Rich. Well, Lori, that's too poor. Billy Bob in Chicago. Perfect.
La 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 la.
Where am I? Where am I? What do you want from me?
Here's a camera. Film yourself. It's been 3.5 minutes since I got stranded here. And if I don't find food, water, shelter, and stuff like that, I will be trapped here. This is day 1. I need help. I am stranded. You probably already knew that. And I need some warmth because I am very chilly. Now, you see, I found this hipster over here who has a lighter that I will steal. I'm going to steal it now. Hey, hey, what's up?
Hey,
Hey, hey, give me the lighter! Oh my God! I have his lighter. It works, and I have to run really fast because hipsters scare me. Now, what am I gonna do with the lighter? I've made a fire, and I'm gonna light it again. Here we go. Now, the key to a fire is to let it light and let it burn. It's also good to put lots of dirt on it. That makes it better. Now, but
Hey, give me back my lighter.
no, get away from me! He's back! The hipster is back! He wants his lighter back! Now, I've killed the hipster. I have beat him with the tripod, and since I am very hurt, I will need to cover my injuries with these band-aids that I found in the middle of the place that I got stranded at. Now, I really need to find some food so I can survive. I have a child, and it is eating food. I will steal that food from this child. I will get it. Hey, little guy.
Hi, mister.
Give me the phone! There it is. Yeah, the chocolate. Now, the chocolate tastes like poop. Next, I have to look for shelter. I found something to make shelter out of, and I'm going to try to catch it. There it is. It's perfect for shelter. I'm going to take it. I think this is good for the night. I'm going to bed right now. And I hope for this to be a good night.
Hey, Bozo! Your time's up!
What?
Your time's up!
I've been waiting. What's wrong with you?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
It's terrible.
Oh my gosh!
Why did you?
Oh my gosh!
Keep me here.
Oh my gosh!